Congrats! I am so glad you have taken that first and important step towards creating your very own online course. Go ahead, check your email where we sent you digital version of Course Creation Blueprint. It should be very, very clear. We also have included some additional support for you to make your life easier when it comes to creating your very own online course. What might be helpful to you, I don't know about you, but I am a little bit old school. And this one-time opportunity I would like to offer you, get a physical copy. I don't know, I'm still old school. I have this journal. I like to write things and I like to write notes and review my thoughts, and that's just how I am. If you are just like me, what I would suggest that you go ahead and grab the free Course Creation Blueprint and just pay for shipping. That's it. Pay for shipping. We'll send it to you, a physical copy. If not, that's okay. Head over to your email, take a look at that blueprint and begin your work. And if you feel stuck at some point, and if you realize, it's a lot. To be honest, I've been creating courses now for over 5 years and created my own online course about 7 years ago. We have developed over 50 courses this time for our clients. It's a lot of work, right? We have on our team writers, copywriters, videographers, editors, marketing team. So we have a big, robust team. So if you realize, look, this is a fantastic start and I want to do this on my own, great. You got everything you need. But if you are someone who's very busy and you just go, you know what? I'm busy. I need a team. I've been thinking about this for a long time. I've been trying to do many times doing it on my own and I can't. I need support. What I would suggest is that button on this page, book your free consultation. We would like to go over your course outline, see what you got, and see how we can serve you and become your partner in making this happen from content creation, production, and launching. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.